Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessie and I have a bun on my head, which means that I'm going to be doing an ultimate all day whole house clean with me. I am going to be getting everything spick and span. I'm going to be doing all the things upstairs, downstairs, bathroom, kitchen, bedroom, living room, everything. I'm going to get it all done. I hope.
Spoiler alert, guys, I did not get all that done. My battery died before I could film me cleaning my master bedroom and bathroom, but you do get to see two new rooms in my house. You get to see my powder room and my kids' bathroom, which, horror of horrors, is their daily thing that they clean, and then I go in and do a deep clean on that, so we get to check out and see if they've been doing what they're supposed to do in there. If you like this video, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Guys, my cabinets get so gross. I am constantly having to wipe them down and clean them. I don't know if it's just because we're gross people or just the white just shows everything, but I get so annoyed every time I see like a new drop of food or like, I don't even know how it gets so dirty. It just, it frustrates me. I don't clean these windows back here nearly enough. I really need to move the couch out and so I can rotate the windows down and really give these windows back here a deep clean. But for today, I was just like, you know what? I can sort of reach this one, so you're getting clean today. And these blankets needed to get washed. They had pet hair galore, and it was not a good look. I try to have a shoes off rule in my house. It's a little bit more relaxed downstairs, but we definitely don't wear shoes upstairs on the carpet. And we have a Roomba that vacuums every day at 1 o'clock downstairs. It helps keep all the dust bunnies and the pet hair and whatever dirt people drag in, and that keeps that clean. But I like to go and do a thorough vacuuming before I mop. And this is my cute little powder room. It is very hard to try to film in here. It's very narrow and very tiny, and it took twice as long to clean in here because I was trying to film it. But yeah, I try and do a daily clean in here. You never know when you're going to have guests. I always want to kind of keep that room in tip-top shape for when people come over. I use vinegar and water and a tiny dash of Mrs. Meyer's lemon verbena for some scent. And I love the way that this cleans my my laminate floors. It leaves them so shiny and there's no like residue or anything. The only thing is, after I'm done mopping and it dries, it gets very slippery, and I have like seriously busted my butt just walking down the hallway after I've cleaned my floors. The kids usually vacuum the stairs and the hallway, but since I was going up there to kind of check on their bathroom anyway, I decided that I would do it for them. I hate vacuuming my stairs, and we also have a Roomba for upstairs that gets used not every day, maybe every other day, because we have to program it ourselves. The other one downstairs just does it on its own. But it kind of keeps all the dust away too. And this is my kids' bathroom, and I was actually quite surprised it wasn't a total disaster. They are teenagers, so they are messy. So first things first is clean their toilet, and I'm using Kaboom today because I usually use the bottle on the counter there is full of vinegar and a little bit of Dawn dish soap, which is magical when it comes to cleaning your bathroom. It is so good, but for some reason I could not get the trigger to work on the bottle, so I might have to get a new bottle. I don't know if the vinegar has like corroded the spraying apparatus or what, but I was really sad I couldn't use that. But I have a dish dispenser scrubby thingy full of the Dawn and dish soap as well, and I love to use that to clean the bathroom. I use it to clean the showers because we have those acrylic sort of surrounds. We don't have tile in our house. So I leave that dish scrubber full of Dawn and vinegar in their shower, and I tell them that they should, after their showers, they should kind of scrub down the shower walls to kind of help to prevent it from getting so gross. But they're kids. I don't think they do it, but I can at least try, right? I can advise them on what they should be doing. So I got their bath mats all washed and got it all vacuumed in there, and I'm going to be using my steam mop to get all the germs, kill all the germs. And that's when my battery died. I will be filming an updated master bedroom and bathroom clean with me because my other one is kind of blurry. So be on the lookout for that. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So come back for more.